Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now, disconnect all non-essential peripherals and hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a shutdown if needed. Once the PC is off, boot and trigger Windows recovery by pressing F8 or using Shift plus restart from the sign-in screen. That opens advanced options. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings to enable safe mode. This gets you into a minimal environment, so you can isolate drivers and software, causing the black screen, rather than guessing randomly. Once in safe mode, open Device Manager and inspect display adapters for errors. A yellow icon signals driver problems. If a recent GPU update likely caused the black screen, roll back the driver or uninstall and reinstall the latest stable driver. Use Display Driver Uninstaller for a clean removal if needed. Next, run msconfig to disable non-Microsoft services and use Task Manager Startup tab to turn off suspicious apps. This narrows whether a background service or startup app. To finish, apply System Restore to a point before the issue, or perform a Windows reset while keeping files if diagnostics fail, but back up important data first. After recovery, install Windows updates and the manufacturer's recommended graphics driver to prevent recurrence. Make final hardware checks. Test an external monitor to rule out panel issues, and reset RAM and GPU to eliminate loose connections. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: swap the GPU or test the drive in another machine to isolate hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.